How to send large videos on Gmail. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can send large videos and files in your Gmail. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Gmail application from your device, and here tap onto Compose. Compose your email and write the name of the recipient. Now under attachment, if you go on attach file, it will give you a limitation where you can only upload a file up to 25 MB. In case you would like to upload more than that, tap on Insert from Drive. To do so, it will give you the Drive link, and anybody who receives the email can click onto it and get access to it. Also make sure that you have given access to view only or edit for the recipient. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.